To create a new forecast, you first need to select the base plan you want to use as reference budget. Then click on the Create New Forecast symbol in the navigation bar and fill in the blanks from the pop-up window. The base plan on the left side will not be editable after creating the forecast. Periods can be set individually, and the factor can be set to determine how many % of it enter the new forecast. Check the box Fixed Budget if you don't want the final sum to change due to fixed total costs. Hit OK and you can see your new forecast. Again, the base side is set and only the budget side can be edited. Last but not least, you can save your new rolling forecast.